Meghalaya Police haringkat ke jingatailang bakatanat social welfare gelaraki ya ke International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking haga apunre turik uchilio ha ususotham auditorium. Habakran hagani program Myntri Rangbah ukon rat ke sangma ubalong kongsan ulaong baka sarkar ke persyang ringkat ke jingatailang bat kiwe ben pentikna ya ke Meghalaya kum ke jela ke belaj luit na udrog. Hagani program Myntri Rangbah ula pelaj baru ya ke drug free Meghalaya app Ula IT ya ke drug detention kits Shaki anti-narcotic task force ula penkup buram ya ki NGO kiri Shimet bat ka ANTF na kabenta ke jing persyang ke jongki ha kaban ya kun persya ya ke jing penan kami o drugs but ula pelai baru ya ke jing rai turn the tide da ke khaki vibes.
We also saw a presentation from the Social Welfare Department, and we have today launched a program which we're calling DREAM, which is Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission. It's an acronym for the Action Against Drug Menace, and it's a detailed program. It's an 80-page document which has earmarked, or rather I should say the 5 years it is going to earmark 50 crores for different programs to be held at the state level, the district and block level.
Today, the Honorable CM has launched one DREAM project. It's a mission basically for the drug reduction and elimination. As CM has already mentioned, the 80-page documents where they have covered the policy and the programs to be undertaken to cover each and every section of the society throughout the length and breadth of the reduction, etc. So survey, the thorough assessment we have not conducted yet. So I can't say whether actually it has gone down or not. But I can only say that number of cases registration has gone up. Then seizure has shown upward trends. The number of arrests, number of seizure of vehicles, mobile phone, cash and everything has gone up. But we have not conducted systematic study whether our seizure has put any positive impact as far as the reduction in the consumption is concerned. So that we have not conducted any survey yet. For that we will try to hire some specialized agency so that they can go into deeper survey, and then study only can tell us how much impact it has made.